everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. Today is kit day for the newest Softlex Company design kit, and I will be doing an unboxing. The kit is called Grateful Heart, and it's a design challenge kit. So these are all the supplies that you receive in the kit, and we have a lot of exclusive items jam-packed in this little kit here. And then they will have a Jesse James bead mix that will launch today on the website. So any items still available, I will leave a link down below in the description. So let's see what's inside this kit. I love Softlex Company design kits. They're always packaged so cute, and it's just like a little gift to yourself every month. And if you want, like with the ribbon, you can use that in your design, make like a tassel out of it, or maybe the back of a necklace. Before we open this kit, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And also you will be notified when there is upcoming tutorials using this design kit. So we have our beautiful kit. And some of the items that we have is Softlex Pink Tourmaline. Silver is going to be our colorway that they have for the kit. And a lot of check glass and a Jesse James bead mix. So these beads stand out to me right away. How pretty. So a lot of them are exclusive. The only one that you can still, oh, I see a Green Girl Studio in there. How pretty. Is Grateful Heart, and this is the exclusive Jesse James bead mix, and they also do have a bead strand. I did not get the bead strand this month, but how pretty are those colors? And then we have Pink Tourmaline wire. It's one of my favorites. I would say that fluorite and purple amethyst are kind of my go-to colors, and they're beautiful together. I might actually incorporate those into this color palette because they're so pretty. I just love this check glass. It's so pretty and so unique. There's really, it's an amazing process if you watch them how they make the check glass. Very time consuming, but everything is so beautiful. We're going to open up our rest of our beads. So these little pink beads are going to be 10 millimeter check glass clear and pink beads, check glass blue pinch beads. And pinch beads are really nice. They're great for spacers. You can kind of stack them together and they kind of look like they're braided. Check glass into pink. And this is available on SoftlexCompany.com. I love these. They had these in the last kit for Sunset Splendor, and I use them in so many of my designs. They come in a lot of colors. And then we have our exclusive items. Oh, we have a Green Girl Studio pendant. How pretty. And it says, "Love is the key." We have our 2x2s and then a lot of little beads. And these look like to be a mix of 9x6 millimeter check glass pink turquoise rondelles, check glass opaque turquoise with metallic blue beads, and then check glass matte onyx beads and check glass pink hearts. So we'll open that in just a moment. Here's our Green Girl Studio pendant. How beautiful is that? And I'll leave a link down below for the Green Girl Studio website. So pretty. I think that would look really good with the pink and the blue. Oh, how pretty. They're like little, they're like a metallic. These might be these are the pink and turquoise rondelles. How pretty. And then we have our little findings. Get everything in this kit to start creating jewelry. All you'll need is your tools. Oh, and the little hearts. How pretty. Those might be cute as earrings, or to kind of pair them together. We'll have to see what's in the Jesse James bead mix. And then we get a lot of these ones here, and they're just a mix of the dark metallic. So I think those would be kind of nice to stack together. So these are the exclusive beads, and now we will open up our bead mix. I am super excited to start creating with this kit. Everything we get in the Jesse James bead mix Beautiful. I love these hearts. They're so pretty and they're faceted. So they're just going to sparkle. Maybe just add one of the little hearts from the bottom of that and then add some tassels with these flowers. I think that would be really pretty. And then use the other two hearts for earrings. Then maybe these little beads here in my design for my necklace. So I'll leave those. I love the little acrylic bead caps. They're so pretty. So we have two more of the little hearts, and then we have these beautiful beads here. And these are like a hot pink or a light fuchsia matte crackle beads. And these are about like a 10 millimeter, but they are so pretty. Very vibrant and pops with color. So many fun and unique beads in this set. And then we have some bead caps and then little silver heart beads. These are great for spacers. They'd be fun to do like a little earring with. I am so inspired. I cannot wait to start creating. And then we have these, they're shiny. So that might be kind of fun. Just to maybe add it into the pendant. We'll see what we create with. And then we have some metal spacers, and these have the Crystal AB Aurora Borealis finish. We have some little bead caps. They're just so dainty. How pretty. There's kind of that pop of sparkle again. Those might work for that. Oops, have an extra one. And then these are really pretty. These almost look like they could have gone in the Turtle Love kit a few months ago over the summer. And then we have some ovals, and they have like a shimmer finish, so they're just going to sparkle. And I'm thinking if you put the Softflex wire through them, you're going to be able to see the Softflex wire. Let me see. I have a little bit of garnet here left over from another project. So you can see the Softflex wire through those beads. How pretty. So it's just going to give it a glow on that bead. And if this kit does sell out, you might be able to still buy this bead mix or just buy an extra bead mix, so you will have more beads to work with, because these little flowers are so cute, and these hearts. These look like they're a little magnesite bead. And then these are really cool. So they're faceted. It's like how pretty to pair the turquoise and the pink together. It's a very pretty kit. And then you have all those other beads. Super awesome kit by Softflex Company for Grateful Hearts. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And check out down below for the playlist for all upcoming tutorials using this fantastic design kit. Have a great day.